Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. Today I am making a very easy apple cake. You need 5 green Granny Smith apple, and you have to just clean and cut it and slice it. And I'm just showing you with one because I don't want to take too much time, video time. So you will do this step, and it's an easy and delicious cake. This is the one I eat with the cooked apple because I don't know why I never cared for the cooked apple, but this is so good, it's delicious. Okay, you saw this. Okay. And that's how you have to do it, or you do it any way you want. I am just showing you my way. It's easier for me. Okay. And then I show you the rest. You see, with 5 apples, it would take too long to show. I was asked because I had my older version. I don't know how many years ago I put it on YouTube, but I decided I make one very fast and good video because that time I didn't even have a good camera. Okay, then you have to slice it. Don't slice it this wide, it's not good. Just like watch me. In millimeter, I would say 3 millimeter or 4. That's it. Not, don't leave it like this because it will be just almost apple and a very little better. So you have to learn not to cut it not too thin, not to cut it too wide either. So this is the first step I would do. And it's almost done. And if you, a little few thicker one goes there, then it's okay, no problem. Basic is here. And then I have my big bowl. I will add the sugar. I will add the flour. I don't give you the recipe because it will be on the YouTube site and you have to work a little bit to find it on the show more or on the phone. You can find it on the top right side and a little arrow, and click on it and you will see the recipe. So this is baking powder, and I put a little salt because every baking needs a little. Done. Now I can add the egg. And then I can add the little vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon. This gives you good flavor. And I will see how this works. I just lift it up for you, you can see it better. And then I can add the slightly melted butter. I recommend to put everything out just in case, because it happened to me too. Phone was ringing and I forgot to put the butter in. So that's why I recommend to put everything out and from the recipe before you start. And then you have no problem. A little orange juice. First a little, and then I will see. Okay, I can put the whole thing. This is a softer batter, and I add 1 lemon zest, or lemon zest, because this is another flavor what you shouldn't skip. because this gives you very good flavor to this cake. So the batter looks like this, and then apple. Look at how much apple I put in, and I just mix it well. Make sure it's all the apple slice can be coated. So this is the whole thing. Make sure you're coating it. It's easy. It takes time more to clean the apple and slice it. And then you can put it in the oven for 350 for 25-30 minutes, and until you can do whatever you want to do when it's baking. I roughly chop 2 or 1.5 cups of walnuts. And another tip, because sometimes I buy a lot of walnuts and get stale, so I put it in separate little plastic bags and I freeze it, and that way don't get stale. But just roughly. Okay, I always prepare my pan, and now let me put this in, and you will see the rest. And just put it in the corner too. I don't want to waste nothing. So that's easy. The easiest cake besides cleaning, peeling, and slicing the apple. And I put it in the corner too, and it's more apple. I don't like it when it's like grated and with cinnamon. That's why I might like this, because it has no cinnamon in it. Otherwise I like cinnamon roll, but with apple I don't care for it. So this is delicious. Okay, and now I pour the coarsely chopped walnuts. If you allergic from walnuts, don't put it on, but it still will taste good. But it's nice to bite on the coarsely chopped walnuts with this cake. Done. And I will show you close too, and look like this, but I will make it closer. Put it in the 350 preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Every baking is depend on your oven, and when it's done you will see it. It is finished, and I like it more baked, or look brown to you, too brown, but I love when it's baked too. Finished cake. I like to take it out like this, and this is still hot, and I will let it cool, and I will show you after. You have to put it in a taller stand, because that way it can cool off or down faster. So I show you the pieces, and I can't wait to eat it. You can serve it just like this, put little powdered sugar on, or if you have vanilla ice cream, you can eat it with that, and it's delicious.